Yo, Sakafet, I was chilling in the studio listening to Peruzzi's last album and I love it. The beats are so simple, but the drums are very creative. So this make me wanna create a simple Afrobeat. So this is what we're gonna do in this video. Let's have some fun. The last video I dropped, the instrumental was a slow tempo instrumental, and this one we are going with 104 or 105. First plugin can be Sky Keys. This is a very good plugin, and we use the default preset. And let's set our key. We can go to minor, let's say C sharp minor, and now we're going to start building our chord progression. Okay, let's select some root node, go to C. Okay, let's go with those, and now let's copy everything. We go one octave higher, and now we build the chord. Ping pong. When you select the scale you're in, it's easier for you to move in. That's smooth, but if we transpose this right there, no, this one also, that's smooth. Sorry. Okay. Let's add some violin. We go to contact 8. We try to create some little phrases with a violin here and there. Let's go to the Spitfire violin. Okay, and then on the last one we do some variation. Okay, I think that sounds nice. Now we can add maybe Nexus, and then we try to find maybe some flute. Yeah, we can go to try to find some flute so we can bring this soulful vibe to the instrument, because this chord already sound very smooth. I go this one. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay, I love it. I love it for now. I think we can jump directly to the drums. I'm gonna go to the Afrobeat mini stash, and then let's find a kick. I think this one is going to sound fire, and then perk. Let's go to the update. I wanna use this one right there. Oh, sorry. Let's go with this one right here, and then we combine it with mana this one. But I wanna remove some of the high frequencies on this one. Let's use a filter, the parametric EQ too. Feel that those one are not on time. Maybe we go here instead, and I do the same thing here. Well. Nice. I think now we are good. Let's go. And then kick now. Nice. For right here, I wanna. Nice. I love this one. And now we go to the Afro chill. We use the shaker from the octaves drum, and then we have this right there. Let's chop it here, and then now we have. You know, I love adding the God particle when I am creating my drums. So this brings something special to the drum, you see? That's nice. That's nice. And I think we wanna add some conga on this one. Let's go to conga. Okay, let's use this. Kutum, kutum, kutum. Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can tune this one. Tum 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 tum. Tum tum. I don't know if this is the best one. Okay, let's try this. Nice. Okay, on this sky key, I wanna remove some of the low because I feel that it sounds a little bit boomy. We use a filter. Okay, now I think we don't want those to sound that loud, so we can take. Okay, now it's time to add the bass. I'm gonna use Kai key again, but this time I'm using this preset that are save key bass. I modified, but guys, I don't know. Sometimes people ask me about this bit, but I don't even remember what preset I started with. We go down. Okay, I think we need to increase the gain. And then we can take this one down. Now I think it's time to create the drum field. Go to the mini stash again. We go to the update. Let me make sure I'm recording. Yeah, good. We go with this one. We go with the live snare, and then we go with live snare too. Okay, and then now what we can do, we can combine them with the V drum, and then yeah, I think we can go with this one. Okay, and on this one right there, we can add a reverb just to make sure that it sounds different, and then boom, we have it. That's a fire, and then it's just simple. And now I want a reverse fill. I will go crash, and then we can use, let me use this one instead. But I wanna feel the bass. Yeah, guys, that's it. This is how you start building your simple beat. You see that I don't have a lot of thing going on. I just have a simple chord progression, and then I have two melodic instruments. And then the drums do the works, guys. Normally, sound selection is key when you're trying to create simple beat, and this is the perfect example of what you can achieve. So when you send this for an artist, it will feel more comfortable to sing on it because there is a lot of space. You can do anything you want on it. If you are a good singer, this is the kind of instrumental you send over to him. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Now I'm gonna let you enjoy the vibe we create. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Samy Beatz, and see you in the next one.